Alright, so I'm about to head in here and check out some product. We're looking at some new pants to check out for puzzle. May happen in the future, may not, depends on how we like it. We're gonna see how we're gonna design it. We're walking into one of our distributors right now to check them out, so let's see. Alright, so I got the sample for our pants. We're gonna figure out the design we're gonna put on them, test them out, see if it may be something that we wanna put on the site. I got one for me and one for Jen, so we'll see how we like them and we'll let you guys know. All right, so now
What up, guys? I'm still currently hurt. I don't know when I'm gonna get back 100. I'm starting to concern a little bit. Nah, I'm joking.
That bird was trying to be in our video.
She just cut me off, guys. I was in a whole sentence. But yeah, we about to try to...
I didn't cut you off, the bird did. Hey, check it out, check it out. Oh, man.
It's not happening, people.
It's starting to rain. What happened there? Did you roll it again, or was it just the positioning of it?
I don't know. Stupid. Hate being hurt. It sucks. Hey, I definitely need to wait to heal 100%. You know, impatience really mess you up. Yep. Somehow I managed to hurt myself again. And I was doing so good on the progress of getting back. I just need to chill out on the board until I feel way better. But on the bright side, we got new graphics coming, stuff like that. So look forward to that. And as y'all seen earlier, we got the pants. So we're gonna be working on that. All right, so you know what it is. Puzzled out. We got the puzzle sweatpants. It's something new.
So stressful. He doesn't know how to film.
I don't know how to film. Hey, Naili back at it. You about to try the 5 block.
Start asking you what you're gonna wear, because you always wear the same thing.
I was gonna wear the white one, but I already did.
Y'all know what this spot is. This probably look familiar.
This ain't no game.
Bro about to attempt it. I'm still hurt, so I can't get it, but
Go ahead.
And I seen 2 dudes running. And someone took my phone.
I told you.
Yeah, they just running. You
When
see?
we were pulling up, I was like, all right, whenever Niall gets out of the car, he's going to tell you about this guy that just stole somebody's phone.
How you know?
Because you posted on your story, and I knew it's the first thing you would say. I knew the first thing out of your mouth would be you telling Jen that somebody got their phone stolen.
I didn't even realize I posted that. I'll be forgetting, man.
he decided to hit the 4 block instead of the 5. He might try that afterwards.
Pick it up, Niall.
All right, he about to try the 4 block. He said it's not that big, but we gonna see.
No rhythm.
All right, we gonna see what happens.
Couldn't get my back foot on.
What you thinking? What you think gonna happen? The outcome? He gonna get it today or what?
I mean, as long as the earring incident doesn't happen again, I think he's got it.
I think he gonna get it today. Well, we'll see.
It all depends on the days that he commits. If he commits, he'll land it. If he doesn't, then he's gonna get hurt. Well, he tried, he committed one more time, and he got heel bruised or rolled his ankle or something. He caught it, but not all the way, and then like almost pre-mode and like got hurt.
Puzzle video coming sooner than later.